How to change the incoming call haptic vibration pattern in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on sounds and haptics. Now click on ringtone. On top you can see the option haptics. Now click on haptics. Now here you can change your haptics, and if you want to create a new vibration, then simply click on create new vibration and then simply click on it, and it will start your vibration. How much long you want to save your vibration, and then click on stop. Now it will start, and then click on stop and then click on save, and here you can rename your vibration vibrate and then click on save. So this is the way to change incoming call haptics vibration pattern in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.